Hi loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make an easy, quick lazy girl hairstyle that looks so elegant. So let's get started. We'll begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then you want to brush the rest of our hair backwards, making sure everything is nice and smooth. We want to bring everything back, twist it, beginning from the ends, creating a round shape like I'm showing. You want to roll it up, fix it with one hand, and with another one you want to pin it from both sides using good bobby pins. Then you want to spread a little bit the hair and use some good grips and fix it in place as well. Then you want to adjust your hairstyle using some bobby pins again. If you have any hair sticking out like I do here, you want to pin it in place, creating a nice shape. You can use some hairspray to fix it, and guess what? Yes, you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this easy, lazy girl, elegant looking hairstyle. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. I love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!